Hey y'all, I don't really know why I bought this, I'm gonna be honest. I wasted $30 on this. Yeah, so Vacmaster little wet dry vac with tools, no wheels. So, oh, that's the best feature, no wheels. I'm kidding. That's one of the reasons I almost didn't buy this. But I just decided to, for the content, for you guys. I haven't gotten a new vacuum in months, so thought I'd show this. It's got a premium car tool. Gotta love that $6.99 value. Somehow doubt that. Then we got it in Espanol or okay, whatever. But there's a picture of it. So I had one of these, but I got rid of it because the motor was kind of a piece of shit in it. It has a crevice tool, a upholstery brush with a slide off thing, and the car tool. That's what it's got in there. There's like an adapter or something, crevice tool, upholstery brush with a slide off brush, filters, and a hose. And that's all, obviously. Like I just said. So let's get into this. It's really tiny. Got this guy at Target, so that's fun. Target was very busy, but okay, let's go into this. Alright, what do we get? There's also like an assembly tutorial, but anyways. So you get an instruction book, probably multiple languages, is quite thick for what it is. Is there anything in here? Okay, this, girl, are you kidding me? I thought that was going to be so much longer. That's ridiculously short. Like, that's very short. But that's your car tool. That's very wide, too. But that's not a con, but I guess it's an extra. Do we have any of the others? Okay. Yeah, there's nothing else. So, here's the machine. You have a cord here. That's a nice thing. It comes with, like, something to bundle the cord up. It's like a Velcro sort of thing. And it's not grounded. The cord is actually quite long on this. I'm going to be honest. It's kind of thick. It's very short. Why did I say it was long? It's short as hell. Like, come on. I think it's like 4 feet. I don't always know. The shop vac cords are always so short. I don't know why. Like, why they can't just put a cord on them. But here's the thing. We have a power switch. Just one speed. It's 1.5 gallons and it has 2 horsepower. So, got a carry handle. Your model number is on the back. You have a blowing port. And you have, what's that say? Oh, a dirty filter information. Like where you can get your filters. So let's keep it in here. Okay. So we have this cloth filter already installed on it. It just pulls off. There's no thing to hold it on. It's just elastic. This looks different than my other one, but that's the float valve. And here you have, oh my god, you have a hose, which is super coiled up. Like, this needs to be straight. What else? We have, this is for wet, so you gotta put it on this when you're using it for wet. This stops debris, like leaves or anything, from getting into the motor. But you only use this for wet, and then you use this for dry. You get, ooh, a wall bracket. Oh, okay. Might put this in my room. That one looks so fucking ugly. Maybe, I don't know, but you do get a wall bracket, which actually I like. Because this thing is so tiny. Where do you hang it? I think, so let's say, I know I'm not done yet, but let's just put this on. Okay, there we go. So, I think you hang it like this. Maybe? I don't... Okay, because you bracket on the wall like that. Maybe that is what you do. Okay, yeah, I think that is what you do. So then you would hold it on the wall and it would be like that. So it goes on, kind of like that. Okay. Anyways. Now. Screws for the wall mount. Yeah, that's a bracket. Where did it go? I don't even know. It's gone. Yeah, screws. For your wall mount. Here's your brush. This is actually a pretty bad brush. This part, the sliding part, I would use it like that, not with this crap on it. But you do get that, so I guess, I mean, this would be good for, like, car mats that are rubber. I could think, because I'm thinking in the car. Although you can use this in your house, but imagine trying to clean your whole house carpet with this. That would actually be really sad. Maybe do that for content, I don't know. Oh, come on, are you kidding me? That is the worst crevice tool. I mean, it's not... The Bizzle Zing was worse than this, but that's pathetic. I mean, I guess I can't really be surprised, but, like, where was the picture? It had a picture of it being used, and it looked a lot longer. There. It just looked long. It looks longer in that picture. I don't know. But anyways, I guess we can get it plugged in and set it up. So, this will probably be a bench rack, or maybe not. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I don't know why I bought this. Sorry about that noise in the background. I don't really know why I bought this. But yeah, I will use it for something. But it's nice. It's just cool. I don't know. I'll use it for something. I might replace the cord on it, honestly. That's what I did with my Stealth, and it was like one of the best things I ever did. Because that cord that I put on it, the green one, was actually so much nicer. Because the Stealth had a cord like this. And when I was wanting to use it for my whole garage, it was useless. And the extension cord was like really thick. I just didn't like it got in the way too much. So I put a new cord on it, which wasn't too hard to do. And it was a very good decision. So I might do that to this. But otherwise, I actually do like it. It feels pretty nice. It actually doesn't feel cheap. It is like matte finish on it. Or is that the right word? It's textured. Yeah, that's not bad. On the side here, yeah, this is literally just like the one I had before this. So, your tools go on it. Like, that's really stiff. I guess you go, can you put this on? Yeah, you can store this on here if you want. Although it's not as tight. You can store this. And then you can store that. And then you can, I guess, put one of the tools on the end. Or you can just keep the hose inside the thing. But anyways. Let's plug it in. See how it works. So, I guess I'm just going to go get the cord. In. Oh, it does also have one of these clips on it. Okay, there we go. It's in. So, here we go. Let's hear one. Oh, that's older. Oh. That's not bad for the power. I mean, it sounds a lot better than some dirt double motors, so I guess I can't be too mad with it. The hose uncoiled quite fast. Well, never know it didn't, but anyways, that hose. Let's try it. That's actually not too bad. I don't hate it. I don't hate this, honestly. Apartments. Why this genius? Honestly, for an apartment, like a New York City apartment, this is not, I'm so sorry about my dog, but this is not a bad idea. Like, I low-key recommend this. It's a Vacmaster too, which is like one of the worst vacuum brands, but like, low-key. That's not bad on the power. Sub-decent attachment. I mean, variety, but it's not very decent attachment. It's like, crevice tool should be longer. I don't like that brush, but you do get a variety, and you get this. This is actually not that bad. I didn't really like how long this was, but low-key, not too bad. I guess if it was longer, it wouldn't really fit in any tight spaces, so I take that back. But yeah, I recommend this guy. Should you go out and buy it? $32, and I paid $34 with tax. No. But if you can find it for like 20 bucks, yes. I will be keeping this. I don't plan on returning this. Especially because I paid with a gift card for this. But, yeah. That is the Vacmaster household wet and dry vacuum to 1.5 gallon, 6 liter, 2 horsepower wet dry vac unboxing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Possibly a demo coming soon if I feel like making one. If I had to give this out of 5 stars, 4, solid 4 stars. I didn't buy the one with the wheels because it was $50, but I kind of regret it now. But anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.